I'm 7 years old. Today I'm talking about there are many kinds of birds. Starting Mrs. Isaac. They're going to be learning about there are many kinds of birds, right? Do you know? Let's start. Right? There are so many kinds of birds. Right? Let's see. We use a computer. This bird has brown feathers. It looks like a chipmunk. Right? This is the monk. Right? It has the yellow in front of its mouth. Can you see that? Yeah. You know that. This is the bald eagle. Live in America. Right? They are big birds. They're raptors. Right? Yes, they're raptors. More? Right? Do you want to see more? That was the bird. Right? Can you see? This is the hummingbird. It gets the juice in this. Oh, the juice! Can you see? This is a wild turkey. It looks fat. It looks like a gorilla. Right? Because it looks like we have this. It looks like it has this in our belly. This is the geese flying in the sky. Right? Yes, can you see? That was amazing. Right? Yes, that was amazing. This bird has red feathers. Right? Yes, I don't know what bird is this. Oh, it looks very bright. This is the chicken. We almost have it, right? Yes, almost people on Earth has chicken, right? Yes. Do you know that? This is the blue jay. Right? Yes, it was smart. It looks a little bit cute. It has black beak. Right? This is the great horned owl. Right? It comes out at night. Right? Can you see that? Oh, but owls sleep in the day. They hunt at night, but why does owl doesn't sleep in the day? It has sleep. It will sleep in the day. Do you know that? Yeah. Oh. Let's do the problem that you are going to do. Which birds have the cones on their head? What birds? Oh yes, that was correctly.